losing my husband for any woman too. I won't do it. To live with a liar, Nana, on my own things different. Sometimes you just have to end everything. Sometimes you have to open the door for some people to walk out of your life.
It has ended in tears.
Abuja, Cecilia, dear, Ekuroma, she, someone abe topic for the day. Reverend or marriage counselor.
You see, pumping men, and the young say, I don't know, my dear Pampano, no cover your cow. He goes on baby and for them, make it on him, say, your husband will always remember. Let's pump on them.
On the crew, Apostle Solomon Oduro.
Udimuna sama shuro. Some of what you want now. What you say, see and chain now.
I don't see a soft opinion. I was my warrior. And ya get a tom.
I do wrong.
Now, in this video, remember full details. Divorce and baby start here. And never be more, and never be about Oduro. I have Penyah blog me the message of us. I over like video and now over subscribe button. It's not click the notification icon. Now, better I do a comment session. Yeah, shall see.
He's about to go now.
It is our comedian. I have one of Ghana's popular marriage counselors, Charlotte Oduro. Any new crew, Apostle Solomon Oduro.
That's my baby, yes. Yeah.
You can just judge.
Yeah.
The two of us. Who is good?
Yeah. I'm handsome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you're no more than me.
I know you're beautiful, but you see
what?
Fresh guy, fresh boy.
Who is the old woman?
Oh, maybe later.
We sound of omo trend. Nina, you oma warrior. A tone sumo. Said the engine anymore. Charlotte Oduro, a marriage counselor. I say there are a couple of videos on my beautiful marriage counseling.
Don't just marry you. More than Nemushi will be our Kwana Mudina Chino. Will be a bee. Near Naba, sorry. But Mama, I want to show my fiancé to you. Who was a day? Maybe I didn't buy me China and I got you. I mean, found. It's either you hate me or you love me, two things. Now the number, which shall bear man no so sure, bano, so sure, Muncomodia, and cope Pia, that's it. What kind of work? Now, by some day. Now, by a minute, that will can say, it is well. It is not well. It won't work. It ain't see, Munco Pepper been also caught what did your muddy, asa, Munco. The reason why when he said they should break up is because no more should because no one could do. They've allowed their feelings and their emotions into it without asking God for it. You see, please, I beg you. It's a covenant, though. Sister, brother, who wrong? Watch and I pamu. How wrong? Who basabasano? What's so bad? My authority as a man or the more basano. Then I am member in Ayabasa.
Otufo okay FM. They be also 8
You see, pumping men, and the young say, I don't know, my dear Pampano, no cover your cow. He goes on baby and for them, make it on him, say, your husband will always remember. Let's pump on them. When you come, my dear, done for not to massage and I say, a day, and Magua who must so be a pride is killing women. Pride when they get little chicken change, but they have little in their account and they have connection. People they know me, I know this, I know it, but they don't know anybody. Keep quiet and submit.
Emma tips, marriage tips, and name a boy aware for to become successful. Just say, Utie Charlotte, that means aware by day.
I'm not losing my husband for any woman too. I won't do it. All because he cheated. Maybe the fault is coming from me. Maybe my husband has got history from his background. We need to deal with this thing very carefully. People should not just sit there and get angry and react because they have pains. You have pains doesn't mean you should channel the pain to become a revenge on somebody. No. If the man made you said, my dear, I wanted to talk to you. If the men make mistakes, if they don't know where they are coming from, you are his helpmate. Women should get this right. We are not here. I'm not here. I'm a Christian. I'm not here to change it. The biblical truth is that the Lord brought the women to be helpmates to the men.
Or Casa presenter warema, lovable, choppable. Crack as a nukunu dear. Oh, Yaima nukunu koda. Debbie. A crack as a bear made or bar crocukunu, for ukunuti, told or so pamper him. So kunu so chichine so mo kunu tirina na jeju kunu so on kwa bontene obi ta said na kwa kwasu nyina na yese the tradition to me mo shout out or say upon the media na say hu say oya counselor nyina. Now there was an issue ongoing between the marital life somewhere 2022 no ebani mu no afa mehu na ne ring nhye ne bio optwa picture post ya ring ne nhye ne bio. I was like, hey, there goes wall e wode or the beba unto say obe drop video bi
To live with a liar, Nana, on my own things different. That one you can say, why do you have a problem? Because you see the thing, but I was saying sanity. Now, Obe converse to the point. Say, Obe Jenny say, who have a problem? I'm not correct. Or true fast now. Obe cool easy. True. Nana, any true font. Hey, Nana, go for a bit true. It be a born to be liars. On son.
Okay.
There will be one people on my Bible come you say, you go for your bomb vagabonds. The other one, ye open way piano, not sana or tear. On son.
It's Sano and how so by Sano.
Because it would be yet the biggest mistake believing that we have the skills and power to change people. Depending you're willing to change them. Nothing what that. We're still time with them. They have their people they can stay with you. Or trophobia when any pot trophy or motor once or motor baby. Me I trophy no when I'm to be in it. Oh yes, your skills I would say I come from you to be actually too. We are very innocent or sandy anymore. Don't indulge in those things.
na say Charlotte ya yan kura o hele se de wo ni ama yehu ye de wo ni ama yehu na say nsem no emu na ase nsem no nkan si asem so ye de wo ni ama yehu.
Sometimes you just have to end everything. Sometimes you have to open the door for some people to walk out of your life. Sometimes the people you are comfortable with, the people you think they love you, the people you've trusted, sometimes you need to open your door to let them out. Because some of them are there. They are pinning you, but they're the same people comforting you. There are some people, they behave as if they love you. They are still in your camp. They are still with you, taking information to your enemies. Please take the bold step. Make a decision, open your door and suck them out of your life. Lock your door against negativity. People that bring negativity into your life, walk them out of your life. And close your door for good things in your life.
Emu ane hu se one Abeku Santana akoye interview hokwa no ko YouTube mu se even omu day a omu ware ye no that night nukunu a na fie
na me pese ofa futuo bi free ho wo wa free fie wa park wo niema afia ware ase no akofie no asan ba wakofie no asan ba onko ekura akobesa how many times
Simple kan.
hey
Bebre.
it's more than 6
Oh yeah, bebro.
o park wo niema do kofie odi how many weeks
Me nko ma me home me ko me baby am me ko.
ah do park wo niema na onko family
No, I don't want them to be worried.
etu ko ta ko tonight
Okay, now my younger brother no on apartment.
but from investigation be I put it to your husband say ukunu you very humble. 2 ukunu to me ko dwom ekoye shopping ko diga eba benu aduane. You are blessed to have a husband like that.
Yeah, that's all that.
Ukunu aduane ma.
Yeah.
Aduane a wo pe.
Yes.
Wo be fi krom beba na ukunu aduane ma.
He's a very good cook too. Oh yeah, aduane ba.
Na we nyina no wasan park wo nema na
And aduane no a. My just be young aduane no a. And you want aduane na.
Nende bema bena be nya no ye sofo benu aduane ma.
Oh baby wo ho. Good ones are there. And no you're very good, but communication.
So that's all that you want?
No, that was all. Say me in terminal. Our only problem was communication.
I'm also told, sir, Ukruso na sorry, nti ebi okrampa not that altar on Bethy.
What is your worry for no?
What me that altar?
That you worry, you worry Saturday, right? One man who na you know.
Jesus.
Not that sorry there. Make you hear me cry to na very friend go for what that? That sorry them. It's me no worry and
I was who honeymoon why ready say obeti meko.
And you You need somebody to be around. Me a wobbly type, you know. Charlie, I saw you.
Yeah, honey, we be wrong, but Jeremy, no, only
50 days.
Only Holy Spirit here meeting.
On the Holy Ghost. 50 days.
Oh, what bread?
Or that 50.
I say, hey, say Charlotte na mama name on number gem. One water panel first night. Who can be the fear? I said, they say, a woman who said, Charlotte say, look, no, Apostle Solomon Oduro. As so called as friends, a quick interview. Oh, call you to me, say, oh. And some animal from me said, there's a new chrono and a bad boy in the marriage. There's a new chrono and non the year no, or no, there's a pursue job. And yes, sir, now Charlotte crown or more dear. Charlotte respect me. Brand wants him, my mayas.
Yes, no. You say now, Umumi. And when your influence is so free, me and I'm for so for. And he wasn't ready to submit as a woman. She wasn't ready to submit as a woman. And also, Unimini out here. A lot means a man, woman, Tino, where a man or bamboo or bar appreciate to area. And you know, she wanted to divorce so many occasions, but maybe guys no, me now.
Meanwhile, this same child, there was a video going on to a man was about the bro once in Mokunu.
You see, pumping men, and the young say, I don't know, my dear Pampano, no cover your cow. He goes on baby and water, make it on him, say, your husband always remember, let's pump them. When you come, my dear, time for not to massage and I say, a day, and Magua who must so be a pride is killing women. Pride when they get little chicken change, but they have little in their account and they have connection. People they know me, I know this, I know it, but they don't know anybody. Keep quiet and submit.
But once more, Kunesla, now Charlotte Pa. Obi our marriage counselor. Marriage counselor. Ah, who 2 hours for who 2 mebunu for. There's a say never was an assembly. Emune say. Emuna that same way no. Charlotte a copy a big Santana show subi. And a come counter defense as someone. New Kunwa can was I for on there. In fact, and yes, I net here.
I didn't know umbu kunu.
It's never true. I bet many a ding. And I have this world, you know, and this African part, you know, when you dear so more dear, it's never true. Not many a day, and many gususu day.
I don't know who I say.
It's never true, but we didn't have understanding. And yes, I remember I say, but there was not understanding in the beginning. And yes, I say you.
Ukunu ne kan asase me.
Minim dio kan ye dear, but whatever.
Oh, I video.
Me, I just took the captions.
Oh, Debbie, I have video. Me read the caption enko.
Okay.
Caption the headline.
Yeah, I know.
Obo video na beti ukunu say ono aka.
Oga said and then me what there.
Say no, say and draw.
It was then.
It would you to say na first umwa there.
Nothing yes me what but we didn't have understanding. That was all.
Okay, Councillor Charlotte, I say eyo wan say ukunu akasa. Pacho jinaso kakra netie wan kasa ukunu ne voice
me ba jomate
na fe yendi nkomo
me ba je
akrafo a mo hwe yen mame Councillor Charlotte Oduro wasesa ne niam afifie pen say on ware na ope divorce e de enti e no ka so ope divorce yenti e de ani kunu e kan
Reverend ne councillor ne Oduro FM. What are some of them?
Oh, apart from say a yenyame a flower phenomenon, the experience is best. First, you know, who's now Umumi, and when your influence is so free, you have number 4 so for, and he wasn't ready to submit as a woman. She wasn't ready to submit as a woman, and also Unimini out here. A lot means a man, woman, Tino, where a man or bamboo or bar appreciate to area. And you know, she wanted to divorce so many occasions, but maybe guys no, me now.
Why?
Oh,
No, cause Lady Reverend, ne councillor ne Oduro FM. What are some of them?
Oh, apart from say a yenyame. A flower friend.
Okay, FM.
The experience is best.
101.7.
First, you know, who's now Umumi.
Where there yes, young Yajin Convenu. One Kasa Wasumwa.
Yeah.
You wanted divorce so many occasions, several times.
Yeah. I never asked for divorce. But over my previous videos, I've said that I've packed out from my home severally.
Ukunu said now pay divorce.
I never asked for divorce.
Ukunu said now pay divorce.
Maybe you're not dream, but I never asked for divorce. I mean, I've never, but I just packed I don't need me pack me near.
Are you saying, sir, Ukunu Chantrana?
Oh, no, I'm not saying that. But Obia what the way on Niyama. So that is it. But
okay, all right, now. Papa, me pacho, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My prophet, my daddy.
yeah, very good.
Daddy pacho boko there.
Adeku pato yami adunu ye.
We have a studio. I'm starting and I'm say watch at me, but me point I better try and come on so. Me pacho, daddy, video any audio your boss is here. We say we na ope divorce, but one farmer no. Ebane saying.
Oh, say, you why we beginning no. Now I'm a little bit woman. Your man so many times. Now, open divorce and they now are here. That was
Esther Hundo said, but counselor, if you pack out of the house, it means you want a divorce or separation. Pacho, Papa, also when you no pay divorce no several times.
oh, Stefan said so many occasions, you know. What you say, Anka, me give up one KB and Kabatan, KB and get guy. Because so bad say be then why we be and me some of them and
But me busa mama said we busa for divorce no also we busa for divorce and I'm say adan me papa o twantrana.
Oh, on say sawari so bad say mawo mekawa say we dia wa bia no ana obaga so pake no makoni ba pesi and I said yeah me to be mo simple as say
Wow, run a cow pain.
oh baby those days.
Okay, Papa, Mami Busa said, Mama said, and say me, and yen now, a trim a check. Nambusa said, I didn't know, oh, Cassa answer me now.
Yeah.
Oh, I think that is a nice Zayo interview. And I now, oh, Busa say, Yana be Taika or the map party team or those days in Semono. And I now make a just say, yeah, it was true. And I, yes, those days. But I was able to endure. I prayed and I knew many would be more action. Then I be making sure say no matter how no men permanent for until then I am for sure at the man in the
Papa, if you back on there,
if you papa.
Mommy,
Yeah.
if you back on there,
Oh yeah, I swear.
Asabi Barbonte,
Yeah.
Sadia Wokano, Ukunu, anyone, Grinning home, one can't show, no one ya way, and a BBC a buy.
Yeah.
Who are Bonting?
Yeah.
When you can a damn pabacoso.
Yeah.
After on his Felix here interview, some I do not catch us say, may your interview you na make answer say.
No.
Papa, I didn't know one can't share what you said. What guarantee interview? This is who was social media. So, say BBC by more money, you mention.
Oh, what the interview na emfa ware ho from a birthday when car normally came no na as my wife and so for your popular obi animo no nti no that why edit video no why edit video no you know because say na ni je say oba if you be home me nti no o me so do baby ya tene kan. And then I can those kind of interviews. And on one a question about me messages about them no more now or the main party team beginning on this man. Now what we bet more would train those things. but we say no crazy.
Enti nkomo ya oni Zion twetwe nyina anadwo no mo da mpa so wan kan kire wo yire se woni Zion twetwe nkomo na tu me ba fie hobi in fact me twen Zion se Zion Councillor Charlotte ni obetwa na wo yire dwane o se on pe camera aden wan kan cha wo yire se blogger Zion Felix wo ye kokonsani e ba mu fie.
Okay. Yeah, guys, I will be brave. We say, birthday was opening. And you know, Obaya the one many days was make the first time in the show. You know, nice day. Yeah. Mommy,
Yeah.
Ukran
can't just say Zion Felix about
No.
But who Zion Felix?
Yeah, me who know.
I don't know who now will try so be avoided.
I don't like that, Sabeku. For me personally, I will not be seen in anywhere in the party.
Oh, come on, Ukunu party.
No, Abeku nyami Ukunu party. I don't like that. Mempe, the media comes in. No, mempe sa. So if he had told me so or bahobia, coming by partner say.
Na some mean so me baho.
Abeku, you are not coming there to take you be blogging. I think so. He invited you as a friend. Yeah, to come there, and I know you. I know, say, I'm comfortable with you, so I'm fine. But if I was told, my question would be, say, what is the purpose of him coming? But on the birthday, so he has the right to do what he has.
Were you offended with the captions, that was so trendy CCA?
Really, I was offended, and I made it clear to my husband because I was not known, like one can't share me. But then I want you to be clear. This in all my videos, I've said it. I've packed so many times in the beginning of my marriage. Well, we never understood each other. On only background that all bano different from my own.
Say Charlotte Oduro, any Nikunu Solomon, Oduro, ma wada te na efe, omudi odo.
That's my baby, yes. Yeah.
You can just judge.
Yeah.
The two of us, who's good?
Yeah. I'm handsome.
Yeah. But you're no more than me.
I know you're beautiful, but you see
what?
Fresh guy, fresh boy.
Who is the old woman?
Oh, maybe later.
Even to a sense, as Sunday, you know, omo we was Sunday. Eti yanka bi shemu ena no peye ana media na so de eja to mu eye Charlotte Oduro marriage counselor onu nukru Apostle Solomon Oduro yi yanka mi shemu ena won say e call TikTok na Solomon Oduro de divorce statement ababontina ana se nyina ne se ojai na yere ontimi ne ntina biem anya nto a enya ntua waye bi a eye a otirem se ni oba ni mu no omre ne ho ase ma no je se ense o kan divorce ayi ni mu ne de enya asem kuma wo kan se man kasa bo ne ma beberebe so anti a mo so ntimi ne oba no entina bi it opposed this particular statement no. Now I was reading through the comments and we go pay a comment back so I just maso kakra obi be comment and say why can't you add the lady that you have impregnated, the side chick na only date na wanye mono no. Other than their own fan can was statement and say, oh, my name will be crowded nipa ba be ho. Also, nyame nipa. Other than our own fan can say the entire mean Charlotte entine bi mu no. Menya will be anye monimpo. Meguma ware mpo ho fi. I say medin cancer ware. I say who the statement to about my mom for arguing say Charlotte na ni subai onye won na enye papa ikage kansem but asem wo ho a obi be ma expose say wanyim obi sofi wanyim obi e no just o pent ma wada na ma so say o pese o ja Charlotte e ko wale we say de be ya na animguase emma e we say de ayi bebrebe ama nipa bebrebe na okay fm for kan na o mekire o madwene e wo ho Charlotte say ni kwa wale de tinton tan enye atwam abawie and ehon sem ne de abeye dadwa e o media na wo just say enye hyenhye bia ni sika kokko obi a nipa odwene say o live successful life no debi enye obi a na live successful say de wo hu obi won mo a osiri nanim ba ni muri de onambo nsam dim o di ya wankasa wo betu akere wadwene e wo comment section aha yi Penyah blog